Imagine a world where a small molecule could act as a protector and nurturer of our brain cells, possibly preventing or slowing down neurodegenerative diseases like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. This is the promise of 9-methyl-B-carboline, a groundbreaking compound that scientists are studying for its potential effects on brain health. To understand how 9-methyl-B-carboline, or 9-MeBC, could impact brain health, let's dive into the science behind it. Our brain relies on a delicate balance of chemical processes and factors that keep its cells functioning smoothly. When this balance is disrupted, neurodegenerative diseases can develop, leading to symptoms like memory loss, tremors, and difficulty with movement. Researchers have found that 9-MeBC can influence two key processes in the brain, both of which are crucial for healthy brain function. The first process involves an enzyme in our brain called monoamine oxidase, or MAO. This enzyme plays an essential role by breaking down neurotransmitters, the chemicals that nerve cells use to communicate with each other. Neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin are vital for regulating mood, motivation, and many other brain functions. However, in cases where MAO is overactive, it can cause a shortage of these neurotransmitters, leading to chemical imbalances associated with depression, anxiety, and neurodegenerative diseases. Here's where 9-MeBC comes in. It inhibits the activity of MAO. By doing this, it allows more neurotransmitters to remain available in the brain, improving communication between nerve cells and possibly helping to alleviate some symptoms related to neurotransmitter depletion. For patients with Parkinson's disease, this could mean better control of movement and potentially an improved quality of life. The second remarkable action of 9-MeBC is its ability to stimulate the production of what scientists call neurotrophic factors. These are proteins that act like growth hormones for brain cells. Neurotrophic factors support brain cells by helping them survive, grow, and repair themselves when they are damaged. In many neurodegenerative conditions, the levels of these protective proteins decrease, leaving brain cells more vulnerable to damage. This loss of protection contributes to the progression of diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, where brain cells are increasingly damaged over time. With 9-MeBC, there's hope that by boosting these neurotrophic factors, the brain might be better equipped to protect and repair itself. Imagine a scenario where this molecule helps maintain a healthy level of these growth proteins, thereby slowing down the damage caused by disease. In such a case, 9-MeBC could not only slow the progression of neurodegenerative diseases, but potentially improve cognitive function and memory for patients in the earlier stages of conditions like Alzheimer's. However, it's crucial to recognize that all research on 9-MeBC up to this point has been conducted in cell cultures and animal models. Studies in laboratory settings and animal experiments allow scientists to observe the effects of 9-MeBC in a controlled environment, helping to uncover how it impacts cells and overall brain structure. But these findings are only the first step in a long journey from the lab to potential human treatments. Results in cell cultures and animals do not always translate directly to humans, as our bodies and brains can respond differently to certain substances. Before 9-MeBC could be considered a viable treatment for people, it would need to undergo rigorous clinical trials with human participants. These trials would be necessary to confirm its safety, understand the appropriate dosages, and ensure it does not cause harmful side effects. Only after passing these stages could 9-MeBC move towards becoming an approved treatment option. The potential of 9-MeBC as a therapeutic option could still open new pathways for treatment strategies if these trials prove successful. In the future, this compound might be used in combination with other therapies to create a more comprehensive approach to managing brain health. For instance, for Parkinson's disease patients, combining 9-MeBC with current treatments might offer a way to reduce symptoms more effectively than current medications alone. Additionally, by supporting nerve cells and preventing further damage, 9-MeBC could potentially delay the need for invasive treatments, such as deep brain stimulation or other surgical interventions. If human studies validate the early findings, 9-MeBC could represent a new class of treatments that focus not just on managing symptoms, but on actively promoting brain health and resilience. By supporting the brain's natural ability to repair itself, compounds like 9-MeBC could potentially help us manage, delay, or even prevent neurodegenerative diseases. In the years to come, this research could lead us to new therapies that keep our brains healthier for longer, ultimately improving the quality of life for millions affected by neurodegenerative diseases. Science is moving us closer to a future where brain health can be actively preserved, and 9MeBC could be a significant piece of that puzzle if it passes the rigorous tests ahead